Welcome back to another video, guys. Thanks for stopping by. We're gonna do a quick video today. One, because I'm testing out my sweet new camera, that GoPro-ness. You guys can see me in high definition now. Yeah, so all we're gonna do is we're gonna update the badging on my truck. I'll go ahead and show you what it looks like before, my quick little setup, the heat gun and all that, but hopefully you guys enjoy watching me struggle on something simple as taking off my badges. Enjoy. Alright, this is my quick little setup. I'm going to go ahead and remove this badge right here, my Cummins badge, and the 2500 badge, but I'm only going to replace with that one right there. So I'll go ahead and tape it off so I can make sure I put it in the right area. Make sure it's lined up. And that's it. That's all I'm going to use. I went ahead and bought this from Lowe's yesterday. It's only 25 bucks. Nice little Wagner. Heat gun is heating up right now. Gets up to about 750 degrees, anywhere from that to 1,000. So let's just hope I don't mess up my sweet flag sticker on there. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get this. Wait, I forgot something. Uh-oh. Bam! Forgot my fishing line. Make this a little easier. When I thought I had everything prepped. Was I wrong? Oh, wow, that's really warm. And just like that. No damage at all. That thing does work. I think it only cost me 25 bucks too. Now, obviously, we got all this stuff here. I do not have goo gone, so I'm gonna do what I can, get this all nice and clean. And it leaves a little outline here to be able to accurately place the other badge, which I forgot to show you guys. I'm so sorry. Hope everyone had a great Christmas. Mine's pretty normal. My kid made out like a bandit with some toys, man. Shout out to the grandparents. They love spoiling their little dude. But as I'm struggling with this, I wanted to thank you all for watching the video, stopping by, getting the YouTube going. As you can see, I got a decent amount of videos on. Not the greatest of videos, but a lot of video game stuff. Trust me, that's not me. Not the real me. I just get really angry at video games, which I shouldn't, but you know what? It is what it is. I'm not that. That's not me as a person, really. But hope you guys don't judge. Leave this bad boy back on. This thing doesn't work, man. 1,000 degrees. And just like that, gone. All right, I'm gonna go get those new badges and show you guys. And this is the new badge. That's what I'm gonna go for. I'm going for a white and black theme. All right, this is the moment of truth. This is always where I mess everything up. Some of you thinking like, no, it's not possible to mess something that simple up. It's like my story of my life. All right. Area is clean and prepped, minus a few little marks, but I'm going to use it as a guide.
Is there a Daddy? You coming? Sit. Come on. Do it. Okay.
That looks pretty smooth, if I do say so myself. And it matches. Alright. And here's the final product. Straight badge, no Ram 2500, that's it. Went ahead and saved some time and some laughing at my expense. Went ahead and did the other side really quick. It was a little bit harder than I thought, just without that old goo gone. So as you can tell from this side, it's still a little dirty. But I'm gonna wait for the rain to hit down because it rains every other day here in North Carolina for some reason. And then I'm gonna goo on it and be done. Next stop on the truck as I walk on down is that badge right there. That's gonna be a lot easier. So those of you who have just stopped in for the first time, I appreciate you coming on by. But those of you who don't know, 2018 Ram 2500 modifications, got that S&B air intake, 5-inch turbo back exhaust with that DPF delete and the EGR delete, all flashed and tuned by Dynamic Calibrations out of Sparks, Nevada. So that wraps up that video. Like I said, thanks for stopping by. Go ahead, hit that like, subscribe, and tell your friends. Stand by for another video. Peace.